Our human life is one of the most fascinating and amazing gift, and the planet Earth is one of the most beautiful place to live among various dimensions. Most of the human beings on this planet are going through pain, suffering, chaos and facing many difficulties despite the fact that the nature has given all the power to the human beings to create their own destiny. 95% of the people neither understand nor use these powers throughout their entire lifetime. Well, now you might wonder what is the reason behind this. The reason is people have forgotten that they have the ability to create their future, and also they are less aware that their mind is the one which keeps creating their future without their instruction. Like as if our mind is on an autopilot mode. It is always what we store in our mind that keeps creating our future. Let us now look at the facts how our mind energy works to create our present and our future. Our human body consists of 7 energy centers, which are root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye and crown. Each energy center carries out a particular task to run our body at conscious, subconscious and superconscious levels. Our mind keeps creating constant energy through our thoughts, which actually hits the cosmic layer in the nature and brings back the similar energies into our body and mind. This energy flows inside the human body, creating our reality. However, most people do not understand this dynamics and their thought process is habituated by negative thinking. And when you think something negative, your energy is modified by your thought frequency, which flows through a particular energy center and creates blockage in that area. When this energy emits out from your body and hits the energy cords at the superconscious layer of the atmosphere, similar thought energy is multiplied and will bring back similar circumstances, situations and events in your life. This is the reason why most people go through negativity, problems, worries, pain and sufferings which cannot be solved through physical medicines or drugs. However, nature always has medicine to solve any of our problems. By the blessings of our great sages, the ancient technology of fire and sound therapy works as a remedy for all our problems. The fire has the ability to purify the mind and emotional body. It destroys the hindrance created from past negative blockages in our mind body. It also creates positive energy within and around us. Certain sound syllables or mantra has powerful vibrations when chanted in specific way. The vibrations reaches the hypothalamus region of brain and sends energy impulse to particular blocked energy centers and destroys the energy blockages in that area. Each individual will be given a unique mantra matching to their energy level. When this is practiced in combination with fire every day, it contributes in increasing energy levels, healing their mind and body, improves health condition, improves financial status, enhances focus, memory and concentration, attracts positive circumstances, people and events, creates harmonious life heading towards prosperity and abundance. For more details and information about fire and sound therapy, you can contact us at 99588 66466 or you can visit our website www.shubhasankalpa.com.